So I'm in town, I have a spare 5 minutes to go before my train, so I nip into the Apple store. I get a lot of questions about the iPad Pro and about the Apple Pencil on my YouTube channel, and especially because I don't own one, it's always good to quickly test this out again. It's been a long time. I tested this out when it first came out just by nipping in here, and I want to be honest and unbiased about giving feedback I need to you guys. I would have liked to have reviewed the iPad Pro, but it seems for the moment that Procreate is the only real application for the iPad Pro. So for me at the moment, it's certainly a no to paying full price for an iPad Pro. The fact that it can't run full applications is certainly the thing that's stopping me right now. That's important to me because you guys need to make comparisons. It impacts your buying choices, and the advice I give really reflects on my reputation. Let me know what you guys think about this, and I'll chat to you soon. Well, thanks for watching. Be sure to comment, like, and even subscribe to my channel, Lawrence Can Draw. And if you really did like what you saw here, you can see more of it on my website, LAWRENCEman.co.uk. I'll see you next time.